Hello and welcome to 𝗕𝗏𝗄𝗧 IELTS by FutureEd. Today we're going to talk about the IELTS speaking module, and specifically we're going to talk about the overview of the speaking test. A few things you should know about the IELTS speaking test. First of all, the speaking test takes between 11 to 14 minutes, and the examiner will always use a timer. In the IELTS speaking test, you won't be allowed to see the timer. You may ask the examiner to let him or her show you the timer, but in most cases they may not. So be prepared for that. Also, there are no bathroom breaks during the speaking test. In the IELTS reading and writing test, there are times allotted for the bathroom breaks. However, since the speaking test is really short, they do not allow for bathroom breaks. Now, all speaking tests are recorded. This is because your speaking test will be judged by the examiner and also 3 other individuals from the examiner panel. And then they will check if the examiner gave you a fair grading, and then if the grading matches, you will get that grade or score. Now, another thing you should know is you are allowed to speak as much as you want, and whenever you get a question, you can speak as much as you want. However, when the examiner says thank you, or when he signals to stop, then you must stop speaking. All right? So the speaking test is divided into 3 parts. The first part is an interview where you'll be asked a few personalized questions like where you live,